In this video, I'm just going to show you how to go about removing the eZone MyAir MyPlace wall sensors from the wall and changing the batteries. So you'll see there's a little gap at the top, and then at the bottom there's a little gap as well. All right. So there's a front and back to the wall sensor. You can see a slight line down here if I pull it apart. So gently, just leveraging off the top with your finger or fingernail in the top gap, and what you're doing is just picking it off the little holder at the top and taking it off. As you can see now, we've got the wall sensor off the wall. So what we're going to do is slide out the battery from the wall sensor, and that's how you take it out. So just slide it out sideways. What we're looking for is a CR2450, and then once you slide it out, you then reinsert it back in. You're pushing it back in, and then we'll then go about installing it. So when you go to install it, so you'll see the face looking at the wall sensor, the back plate says this way up, and then you'll see that there's a gap at the top of your wall sensor. So we start at the bottom, so you have your battery towards the bottom, clipping it on, and then you just click it at the top and it goes on. So that's how we go about changing a battery in a RF wall sensor for the MyPlace, MyAir and eZone systems.